Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Eii TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Music industry in general.
Real.
Hello viewers, good evening and welcome to Rhythms Live on GH1 Television, the most entertaining and exciting show you can have on your TV.
Show? I didn't say that you should, start a show for us. I'm just asking you a direct question. So, King Already is one of the songs on Beyonce's Black is King album featuring Shatta Wale. How has it impacted Shatta Wale as an artist and the Ghana music industry in general? There have been instances where we've told people to present it as a show. Okay. This is not a show. I've asked you a direct question.
Okay. So the biggest artist, the most influential artist in Ghana recently got the biggest collaboration Ghana has ever had. Shatta Wale was featured by the most sought-after vocalist in the world, Beyonce, on her Black is King album with the song King Already. During that particular period, Shatta Wale managed to get all the international media focused on Ghana, CNN, BBC, talking about the big star Shatta Wale and the Ghana music industry. That video, when Beyonce was looking for the finest artists across Africa, when she actually featured some Nigerian artists like Wizkid and Tiwa Savage, and in Ghana, she couldn't look beyond Shatta Wale. He was the only artist that was chosen to feature on that particular track. Beyonce engaged in some Ghanaian dances as well, which actually sold Ghana very high. Now, Shatta Wale is considered to be the artist who has come up with the biggest collaboration in the history of Ghana music. And we are still looking forward to seeing more of this, perhaps featuring Jay-Z himself in the near future.
Oh, Derek, I don't know what to say, honestly, to both questions. You answered the second question as though you were presenting a sports show. You asked the question about King Already, how has it impacted, and then you go into this mode of, I don't know, honestly. And the first one, gobsmacked, seriously, because how do you say you don't know that Trump is being impeached, and for the second time? This is something that is plastered on the news every single day. Yes, you're here for sports, and so Ima is here for current affairs. And yes, he makes time to read about entertainment, lifestyle. It doesn't matter whether you're here for it. And sports presenters, OT, Gary Al Smith, you saw Gary Al Smith was part of the election team for multimedia. His knowledge on current affairs is top. It's not about being a sports presenter, so you're only concerned with sports. But do you know about the insurrection that happened at the Capitol in the US?
No.
Yes.
What happened?
Actually, Trump's supporters besieged him.
That's why he's been impeached, because he incited his supporters. So if you say, then it means you know something about it. But look. I'm frustrated. And you're all the best.
Derek, I think he needs to do better. This job revolves around reading, it revolves around knowledge. And so Trump is being impeached for inciting an insurrection. It's the second time he's been impeached. What makes it historic is that it's the second time a US president is being impeached. It's the first time a US president is being impeached twice. That's what makes it historic. And it's so simple, really simple. For the second part of your question, I will leave it to Shatta.
But, okay, Israel, I want to read back to Shatta Wale. I first said maybe if you would want to do sports or so, because you see your outfit, everything. You have been in Ghana for years. Your outfit, everything look like a sports presenter. So you should have even asked, at least, this is Kwamna Ibua Jr. Yes, but I think like the way my mommy is saying here, Nanaba is saying here, you should try and just open your mind more and then like be broad, because let me say you don't open your mind, but you say you see sometimes it's like being an artist. Maybe you are just centered on maybe doing this type of music, but if you know how broad music business is, you go all out. So I beg you next time, please come and teach us something better. I like your heartbeat too. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Like, your heartbeat here, how mine. Don't worry.
All right. Okay, so for me, I mean, they've said it all. I think something must have gone wrong. I'm sure you realize that something went wrong. What went wrong? Because you knew about the insurrection. And so why couldn't you bring it up? Is it a case that you... Because you said that you have not been following. Meanwhile, you have been following. So something must have gone wrong. What do you have to say?
Actually, I was reading and I saw an article that Trump's supporters have besieged the capital. That's what I actually said.
That's all you read?
Yes, I didn't read further.
All right. But too bad for you. You didn't do too well today. Yeah? Okay. But all the best. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you.
A round of applause for Derek. No, hold on. Derek, if you don't win the next TV Star, what's next for you?
Sometimes, I leave some of my laughter. I know you can do a fashion show or something.
Derek.
Actually, if I don't win, I would love to win. But if I don't win, I do believe that I still have the opportunity to give Ghanaians sport, very good quality sports. I am definitely find that.
Where will you do that? On your Facebook page? Where will you do it?
Definitely, I'll find a place to do DH1 TV. I'll do sports on DH1 TV.
I like that. I like that. A round of applause for Derek. Derek, you can go backstage. Oh, come on, guys. Let's clap for Derek. So we still have a few.